everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we got another awesome video request, and it is here, let's just show you. Alright, what's the difference between Glob, Fnmatch, and regex? Okay, so let's talk about RE, regex, regular expression. It is the root search for all characters. It was written a long time ago. I'm not going to embarrass myself and try to remember, but it was by by some original mathematicians that became computer scientists that noticed the patterns, and it is the root for all search. Then you do upper level. So that's the root search. So let's talk about the connection between Fnmatch and Glob. Let's focus on that. But you can't do either of these without this. And then this is used for this. So we can think about this as a couple of ways. Letters, words, sentences, or if you want to do the math way, derivatives. Here's your function, here's a first derivative, and then here's a second derivative. So they go this way and they build upon each other. So here's Fnmatch, and we used the function inside the Fnmatch module, Fnmatch. Now, a couple videos from now, we'll use filter, and I'll show you how that works. But what Fnmatch, the function, does is it returns true if a match occurs against a file. File name and match. So we'll build on this. So then that goes through, and then let's pull up Glob. Where's Glob? All right. So here we go. Glob pulls up path, and if you really look closely in the documentation, actually inside the file, not just the documentation, but its real work is done here with the iGlob, and then Glob just returns a list. It runs iGlob and returns a list. So now let's get into how they work. So Glob only works in the directory that you're in. So you can only give it the pattern inside the directory. So let's pull up what we used. Let's stick with the examples that we did. Let's do this. So when we ran Glob, and I'll put that up right here. So this is just searching glob.glob, the patterns inside the directory that we're in, and it's going to spit out these that start with K through O, excuse me. So now when we go and let's block this out, and then we do here, copy, and this was Fnmatch, putting that right here. So this was inside whatever directory I wanted, then the file, then I pulled it up, and then I went through. So now let's go back to Glob. So Glob uses, got rid of it. It uses filter, and we'll do that video maybe 2 or 3 from now. I lost track of where I was. I didn't get that ready, so I apologize. But regular expression is the ultimate base. Then Fnmatch is advanced, and then very, very simple is glob. So this is the order. So I hope that helped. Awesome, awesome, awesome question. You guys really keep me on my toes. But I want you to really look at the final result inside Fnmatch. This is the regular expression that it is using for all of this. And use the tools that are out there. So somebody's taken the time to build it, and we're gonna, in a while, we'll start scraping and using regular expressions and trying to find email addresses, and you'll see how complicated that gets pretty quickly. And we'll do Fnmatch filter method in a couple videos. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Awesome questions, great comments. Oh, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and if this type of video you like, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And as always, thanks guys for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.